Imagine this, guys. Typing in a few lines of text and then pop goes a 30-minute full quality video complete with custom characters, seamless visuals, and multiple style options. Stay tuned, guys, because I'm about to give you a free 1-month pass to make it happen. Alright, guys, so this is the landing page of Magic Lite. Link to this will be in the description of the video, just like the video that I showed you how amazing this one is, guys. Magic Lite.ai stands out as an all-in-one solution for seamless, high-quality video creations using just text input. All right, now it's designed for both casual creators and professionals as well, and it offers unmatched flexibility and ease of use in transforming ideas into engaging visual stories. So, a key feature of Magic Lite, guys, is its support for flexible video length. So, it allows users to create videos of up to 60 minutes, which is perfect for long-form content such as the detailed explainer videos, the children's stories, or any AI-generated film. So one of its standout capabilities, guys, is maintaining consistent character design throughout larger and longer narratives, which ensures visual coherence and storytelling quality from start to finish, okay? And as you can see here, guys, you also have this that you could watch. So if you click on that, let's go ahead and check this one out. Look at that. Imagine being able to do this with just typing a few lines of text. Ooh, wow. Gosh. Amazing. Bam. Wow. Look at the detail. Wow. So good. That is Magic Lite, guys. I mean, that is a very engaging 5 to 6 second video that you could include in your contents to get that hook from your audience and continue to watch your content or the video that you have uploaded. So, thanks to its intuitive interface, guys, and the powerful capabilities, Magic Lite has become a top choice for creating YouTube content, kid stories, AI movies, educational videos, and much more. So whether you are a solo content creator or even if you have a team that is working on complex projects, Magic Lite will be able to help you out in making professional video production, which is accessible and efficient. So guys, as a bonus, just like what I mentioned, Magic Lite is currently running a giveaway event, and I would strongly suggest, guys, that you join that. A link to that will be in the description of the video. Of course, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also be able to unlock and know more on who Magic Lite is, what they do, and how awesome this AI is. Make sure to follow all their social media platforms. It is at the bottom of their website. You have their Facebook, you have their X, you also have their YouTube channel, and they also have a Discord that you would be able to join. And guys, you also have their frequently asked questions right here. Okay, what is Magic Lite? What are the unique features of Magic Lite Studios? Which devices and platforms are compatible with Magic Lite? And all those really very informative stuff. So if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.